What's up guys? Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to stay updated with our videos. Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. So today we are going to do the CIBIL. So today I'm going to teach you the CIBIL, the function and the working of CIBIL. So before starting, we have a proper course on JAIIB on Bank Exam Studies mobile application. We have proper test series, notes and the video classes. So a link to join is available in the description. So first of all, what is CIBIL? The full form of CIBIL is Credit Information Bureau India Limited. This is very important question. So students, CIBIL is a central database. You can say CIBIL is a sort of central database in which the various banks who are the clients of CIBIL, they submit their database. They submit their data related to the their borrowers, right? The people who took the loan from these banks. What these banks are doing is at the end of the every month they submit a monthly report to the CIBIL's database, right? So based upon these reports, the CIBIL makes CIBIL gives credit scores. CIBIL gives credit scores to all the individuals in the country, right? Based upon their PAN number, right? So there can be Mr. A whose CIBIL score is 650. I mean, the CIBIL scores varies from 300 to 800. So let's start. What are the functions of CIBIL? So CIBIL takes pride in having the topmost credit information sharing in India. So CIBIL shares the information, the credit history of the customers, credit history of the borrowers of banks. So there are various tools. The consumer credit information tool. First of all, let me show you this. So this is actually, I took this illustration from CIBIL's official website. There are various banks and lenders who are the clients of CIBIL. They submit their monthly credit records, submission of monthly credit records to the CIBIL's database. So whenever a customer or any borrower comes to the bank or a lender with a new application, fresh application, then these banks and lenders will check the credit history of such person in the CIBIL's database. Because what CIBIL does is, based upon this monthly record, CIBILs give a credit score to each and every individual, right? So I have already told you from 300 to 800, CIBILs give the scores, right? So if the score is, let's say, anything above 750 to 800 record is actually this score is good. If somebody's score is, let's say, 400, the bank is going to reject that application. So let's say there is a person who took a loan from HDFC, right? He took a loan from HDFC. He took a loan of 1 crore rupees from HDFC and he defaulted it. So the case is in the court of law. Then the same person went to SBI and he asked for a loan of, let's say, 1 crore again. So if there is no central database, then how it is even possible for SBI to know about this default? So there is CIBIL. Whenever such person comes to the SBI, that person will provide his IDs, his Aadhaar card, his Aadhaar number, his PAN. Then the SBI will feed this data into the CIBIL's database and all his credit history will come out. Then SBI will come to know about, yes, you have already defaulted the 1 crore rupee loan of HDFC, so we cannot provide you the loan. So there will be an informed decision, right? And it will be more efficient. So there are various tools. The consumer credit information, it is an important tool used by the credit grantor at the time of new customer acquisition. Portfolio review provides a credit grantor with a comprehensive view of the borrower's credit relationship across the multiple lenders. So how CIBIL works? The CIBIL's primary function is to collate the complete and the reliable data, the reliable credit information, and make it available to its members. Very important. CIBIL is a neutral service provider and has centralized database which will provide the credit information in form of reports on borrowers, individual or businesses to its members, right? So not just the borrowers, not just the, not just the borrowers, the CIBIL is going to, give the credit scores to the individuals as well as the separate legal entities like the public limited companies or the private limited companies. The CIBIL is going to provide the scores from 300 to 800. We call it the credit score. The credit score is nothing but the credit history of that same person. That person can be an individual, it can be LLP, it can be a private limited company, it can be a public limited company. So based upon this score, the banks are going to either accept or reject the loan application. So that's how the CIBIL works. Very simple, easy. So that's all for today, students. I hope you like this video. Please click the subscribe button, hit the like button, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can make a comment. That's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye.